Yun guys, pasakaya na kami ng plane back to Manila. Ayan.
Again, good evening everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen here. This is 5J788 bound for Manila and only guests for this flight to Manila must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat ng mga Cebu Pacific, lipad bilang 5J783 patungo Maynila. Mangyari po lamang na tawagin ang pagsisin ng inyong cabin crew kung ito ang tamang lipad.
Tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft.
The forward door is now open. You're now the plane. Thank you everyone for making your moments happen in Cebu Pacific. And welcome to Manila. For your information, we shall only be utilizing the front door for the planing. Guests in the back, please stand by.
Welcome back to Manila. Oh, walang passenger yung international ah. Oh, walang dumarating. Ngayon pang ano yan? 11:30. Pero yung local yan ah. Meron. May waiting yung mga baggage. Dito sa international wala. Pati lang. $74 million. Ooh, sana all. So yun guys, dito na kami sa arrival ng Cebu Pacific. Ayan o. Dami rin palang tao. Tapos kakatigil lang ng ulan. So pagkapag namin ng plane, sakto kakatigil lang ng ulan. Pero basang-basa pa yung, yung kalye. Ayan. Dito sa ano? So magpapalitan mo ng slipper. So guys, palabas na kami ng arrival ng Terminal 3. Ayan.